it's almost 5:30 in the morning. I have a severe pain on my neck and my trap. Especially for beginners. So stay tuned. What's coming up? Mind muscle correction रखना. It's Tahajjud time. So it's almost 5:30 in the morning. Start my meal. Yeah. And there is something really interesting out there. Let's watch. From how view. सुबह सुबह इतनी ट्रैफिक. Hey. 10. Last 5. Go. Make sure your legs are underneath the bar. Go ahead. That's up. Squat low. Squat low. Make sure you squat low. Right first there. Shoulders should be retracted first. Go. Pull up. 1. Nice. 2. Back should go slow. Don't hurry. Don't hurry. And no pronation of the knees. Yeah. 3. Good. 1. 4. Good job. Good job. Not bad. I'll put on even more weights. So whatever weights we have. Maybe next class. Yeah. These are Tanay special gelato flavors. So CB is what, Namrata?
Chocolate banana.
Okay, chocolate banana. B is only. Oh, B is brownie.
Brownie.
Then L is lemon.
Yes.
Then W. What is W?
Waffle.
Waffle.
So there's like waffle and
Okay.
strawberry in this.
Okay, got it. So everything, she's giving me two of everything. I don't know who am I supposed to give all of this gelatos. Okay, I'll give it to one of my brother, then mom, dad, everyone. I'll share it with everyone. Zaneto, he is going and doing cardio upstairs, and I thought he would just give me one of these, but look at that. This one looks clear to just check out the traffic, guys. Bangalore की traffic. आज पता नहीं क्यों there is so much traffic ahead. It's almost been 20-30 minutes since I've been waiting here. Okay, this tree fallen down. So that's the reason why there was so much traffic. Bangalore, what is up? So much traffic ahead. अगर चे इधर एम्बुलेंस आ गई ना तो गॉन मैन. आई डोंट नो व्हाट विल दैट पेशेंट डू. क्या होगा वो पेशेंट की हालत. एम्बुलेंस बोला, सो वन एम्बुलेंस हैज गॉट स्टक ओवर देयर. दिस इज हॉरिबल. देयर इज अनदर एम्बुलेंस ओवर देयर. आई थिंक आई शुड स्टार्ट गेटिंग माय बाइक. Getting car is really hectic in Bangalore, man. अरे सुबह को see the sessions are in the morning, but सुबह को आराम से हो जाता है. But आज सुबह को भी traffic थी. So finally we reached home. Yeah, it took me 2 hours from Jayanagar to Adinagar. जो मेरे क्लाइंट ने जलाटो दिया था, I think जलाटो मेल्ट हो गया होगा. मेल्ट होके मिल्क शेक बन गया होगा. I don't know how it is and what it has become. Let's see. Let me just go on top. Well, it's gym time now. अभी हम लेंगे थोड़ा सा pre-workout. So I'll just show it to you. What are we going to take? So ये रहा हमारा pre-workout meal. So these are eggs, थोड़ा सा rice and rice cake with peanut butter. So I think this would be sufficient. I would recommend you to take this 30 minutes or 40 minutes prior to your gym. And say Bismillah before you take the first bite. Always. I usually eat plain rice. It's like थोड़ा आदत सी हो गई है plain rice खा खा के, plain chicken, plain, and everything is plain in my diet. There's no masala or like tandoori masalas or anything like that. Just plain rice. I eat boiled chicken and a little of just for a taste, peanut butter and eggs. See, that's it. That's it. Let's finish our pre-workout meal now. What's up? All set. आज हम hit करेंगे circuit. It's specially for beginners. So stay tuned. What's coming up? Make sure you try this workout and let me know in the comments. Yeah, comments जरूर करना ना. So guys, अभी हम आए हैं राहिल के घर and then we're gonna go hit the gym. So आज का workout है circuit, जैसे कि मैंने बोला था आप लोगों को. And also I'm doing circuit today because it's been almost 4 to 5 days since I haven't been working out because I have a severe pain on my neck and my trap. So I'm won't be able to lift anything heavy. So light ही रखेंगे अभी. And yeah, you'll get to know what the workout is and stay tuned. Rahul and his niece. Okay. वो बोलता रहेगा मुझे जिम आना है but let's go. We went to Rahul's place. We picked up Rahul. So Rahul is behind the camera right now. अभी देखो. So only for you guys, I got back home to shoot. So that we can ignore such voices. Yeah. Hi. Hi. Assalamualaikum. They all follow me. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Jazakallah khair. What's the problem? चलो चलो लकीली आप मिल गया ना. चलो अभी वर्कआउट का टाइम हो रहा है. जिम फिटनेस ठीक है. चलो थैंक यू फॉर फॉलोइंग. Well, how do you feel coming back to the gym, bro? कैसा लग रहा? How are you? Good. It's been a long time since we hit the gym, and crazy, जबरदस्त. एज करो तुम, खाली एज करते हो. एक मिनट. We're going to do the circuit training especially for beginners. So make sure you don't go ego lift at the gym. Yeah. So first I'm going to show you the incline press, and then right after that I'm going to show you the push-ups. Right. So let's get started with the incline press. Yeah. Whew. So chest out, and also make sure you have an arc on your lower back. So keep the dumbbells right, opposite to your chest. And then knuckles facing towards the ceiling. Press straight up. इसके हम करेंगे almost 1 to 15 reps. Okay, 15 reps of 3 sets. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5, 4, 2, 1. Whew. So yeah, once you would have noticed, I've almost retracted my shoulders completely, having an arc on my lower back, and then I'm trying to face my knuckles towards the ceiling and then push the weight up. Okay, आप start कर सकते हो 5 किलो से, so you don't have to necessarily go along with heavy weight. You can do that. So और एक बात, let's hit the push-ups and push-ups. So hands shoulder width apart, legs shoulder width apart, and then chest up, core tight, squeeze your glutes and go down, and then that's it. That's your push-up. That'll be a perfect push-up. Okay, ज़्यादातर लोग ऐसे करते हैं. Okay, I don't want you to do that. और ऐसे करते हैं. I don't want you to do that. So keep it straight and steady, right? So go down, push-up. इसके हम करेंगे 15 reps. Okay, 5 हो गए, 6, 7, go down completely, and then push. 8, 9, 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shit. Yeah. You've already hit your front delts, your triceps, your shoulders, your chest, upper chest, medial chest, lower chest, सब hit कर दिया आपने. Right? When you start doing the incline press and the push-ups. So, yeah. Now that's Rahil. So look at his push-up here. He's perfectly aligned his body straight, right? So look at his core and look at his glutes. Chin almost touching the floor. Can you see that? Chin is almost touching the floor and he's pushing himself up. So if you cannot do these push-ups, you can always go ahead with wall push-up. Right, wall push-ups करेंगे. Too much कर. So we'll show them some wall push-ups. So if you cannot do normal push-up, you can always go ahead with wall push-up. So same way, like hands shoulder width, get on your toes, chest always up, and then slightly go down, and then push. That's it. So make sure your elbows are going back, okay, aligned completely, and then push. ये हो गया आपका wall push-up. You can do this almost like say 1 to 15 reps. Okay. Alright. So अभी हम करने वाले हैं lat pull down. So make sure you don't go heavy on anything. Okay, whatever I'm gonna show you. So don't go heavy. So इसको हम पकड़ेंगे wide grip and make sure your thumb is always outside. Yeah. Don't hold it this way. So इसमें क्या होता है? Once you hold the grip this way, your forearms get activated. We don't want that forearms to get activated, right? So what we do is we try to put the whole tension on the lats. Since this machine is known as lat pull down, so we're gonna hit the wide grip. So we're gonna hit the wide grip, settle down, chest is always up, retract your shoulders, and then pull it into your upper chest. Squeeze your lats, and then let it go. So always remember it's time under tension. For an example, 1:2 ratio. So once you pull down, you take 2 seconds to let it go. Right? So इसके हम करेंगे 1 to 15 reps. So do it slow and steady. Squeeze. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah. Okay. That's your lat pull down. That was the lat pull down. What we did right now. Iska alternative. We're gonna hit the pull-ups. Let's go. The same way, like I showed you, while keeping your hands, जब आप हाथ रखते हो बार पे, so make sure your thumb is always outside. Okay, make it as a hook grip. So retract your shoulders. Okay, so from here, first retracting your shoulders, squeeze your lats, then pull. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. So that was the pull-up. Make sure you squeeze time and attention. If you're not able to do such pull-ups, you can always go with the alternatives. I'm going to show you now. Pull-up nahi kar pa rahe. So always you can go in Smith machine. This is known as inverted pull-ups. So sit down. Keep the bar until your head level, yeah? And then hold the barbell. Same way, thumb outside, chest up, lie down, chest up. Take the support of your legs as well, and then pull. 1, 2, 3. Right? So this, इसके हम कर सकते हैं almost like say 10 to 15 reps. So go ahead with that. It will help you with strengthening your back as well.